Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up EU VAT handling for SaaS automatically in Paddle. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to set up automatic EU VAT handling for your SaaS on Paddle, there is no specific configuration because Paddle acts as a merchant of record, that is MOR, and automatically handles all your VAT collections. So simply go and tap open your Paddle as it handles all your VAT collection, filing, remittance on your behalf. So, Paddle legally acts as a reseller of your product. When a customer buys your SaaS, they technically buy from Paddle, which shifts the entire tax liability and administration burden away from you. The software provider is to do so. So, Paddle automatically does this. So it has an automatic collection section, it's automatic calculating, and it also verifies your VAT ID. So this is how Paddle works. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.